Hello there and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing the resealing my roof. I've done all my Eternabond all the way around and my die-core where I figured I needed it. And today's step is applying this product here. And it's called Flex Coat. And it's sold at the sold at the Home Depot, and it's about $75 a tin after taxes, and it has great reviews. Also, a few of my neighbors actually have used it on their fifth wheels and such with really good success. So I'm going to apply it today. Now I've spray washed the roof, and I went around with a roof cleaner specifically made for rubber roofs, and did a touch-up cleaning today because I spray washed it a few days ago, and I'm just going to get started. So for this project I'm just going to be using typical tools, a regular brush, angle brush. It says to use a fairly heavy nap roller. That way you can roll on and get a good coat on it. Just got a disposable paint tray because I'm sure it's not going to be usable after I'm done. Now, one of the things the instruction says is to make sure that you stir it up really well to ensure that you get good coverage, and also to make sure that the all the pigments and everything are stirred up really well. Because I can even see in the mix that there's different colors where the pigment has risen to the top of the can. So I'll give it a really good stir. Now my roof, because I've done the Eternabond all the way around and around all my different vents and so on, my cutting in that I need to do is pretty basic. So I'll be able to do pretty well all of it with a roller, except for a couple spots that I'll have to use a brush, because I just want it basically just to be over the edges of the Eternabond, probably like a ½ inch, and that'll ensure that I won't have any issues with the Eternabond tape in the future as well, lifting up or anything like that. Never ever had any problems with Eternabond, but okay, that should do it. It's a good day to do this, as the temperature is not too hot, not too cold. If you do it if it's too hot, the material is going to dry on you really quick. Okay. Get a good liberal amount on your roller, and away we go. Now it says to apply 2 coats. thinking 1 can should do me, but I'm not sure yet. one area here where the air conditioner is that I'm gonna have to use a brush. Through the magic of video, this is where we are now. I couldn't find anywhere to put my camera while I did the back end of the RV. And yes, I know I missed that little spot on the left, but I will get that. And it looks really good. I'm going to apply a second coat tomorrow, and I might even go as far as to put a third coat, because they say that a third coat will make it even better, depending on how much I have left in my can. But I've seen these coatings on a lot of other roofs, and the water really runs off with a nice bead, and it works really, really well. So thanks for watching my video. I hope this will help you in your renovation and maintenance upgrades on your RV. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye now.